Hello, this is Team Revolve.
What is essential to enhance the expression of objects created with 3D modeling? While detailed and high-quality object depiction is important, setting the material properties and describing the surface texture of the object often works much more effectively. Are you ready to enhance the quality of your 3D product? In this tutorial video, we'll explore how materials and texture works in Revolve. Now, let's get started. First, go to the Revolve website. Click on Get Started for free to launch Revolve and start a new project. Once your project is open, let's add a model from the library to use as a sample for materials. In the library, drag and drop your preferred shape and backdrop into the viewport. When you select an object, you can set the material in the properties. In the library, you can add a pre-configured materials by drag and drop. Go to the Material tab in the library and drag and drop the preset you want to apply. In the top bar, you can add and manage materials through the Material Manager. With the Material Manager, you can add the materials with preset styles and apply them by drag and drop. When you add an object through the import or copy and paste with Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V, the material will also be created. You can apply materials to multiple objects. If you change the settings, all objects with the applied material will be updated simultaneously. Right-click on the material to manage it through the menu that appears. Each style preset comes with different adjustable options. To access all the options, click on Custom Style. In Custom Material, there are a wide variety of options and variations, making it difficult to explain every combination. Instead, we'll cover the 4 most commonly used options: Roughness, Metalness, IOR, and Transmission. Roughness adjusts how much light reflects off the surface of the object. A value of 0 increases the glossiness of the surface, while a value of 1 eliminates the glossiness. Metalness defines the metallic quality of the object. A value of 0 represents a non-metallic surface, while a value of 1 represents a metallic surface. The appearance can significantly vary depending on the roughness value, so finding the right combination is essential. IOR controls the amount of light that passes through the object. If the transmission value is 0, resulting in a loss of transparency, or if the roughness and metalness values are adjusted, the description of IOR can significantly change. An IOR value of 1 represents air, 1.3 represents water, and 1.5 represents a glass, describing how the material transmits light. Visual properties of objects can be expressed through materials, but for textures that feel tactile, applying high-quality 2D images is essential. Since you can't use just any image from the web, we'll use a site that offers CC0 licensed open-source textures. First, there's Polyhaven. It provides high-quality HDRIs, models and texture that are commercially usable. You can choose the resolution, file type, and configuration of textures for download. Next, there's an Ambient CG. Similarly, it offers texture suitable for commercial use, focusing on realistic PBR textures. You can select the texture resolution and download compressed texture configurations. Please select and download the textures you need. For optimal performance, we recommend using textures with a maximum resolution of 2K. Texture images can be applied by selecting Upload Image in the Properties, Color, Image tab. Please choose an image from the ones you downloaded that are correspondent to color map. Adjusting the tile setting for the applied texture image will change the arrangement based on the value you enter. If you've applied a texture such as stone or wood and it has a gloss effect, adjust the material options to match the texture and ensure it looks natural. For models with smooth surface, adding a texture image and suggesting the material options alone may have limitation. Among the downloaded images, there are various texture maps available that provide more dimensional detail. Let's apply a normal map, which has a more pronounced effect. In the height section, change the bump to normal. Choose the image that corresponds to the normal map from the image selection. You'll notice that adjusting the values adds detailed effect to the texture. However, even after setting materials and textures, the quality may appear to be unfinished during the work in progress stage. To achieve a high-quality final result, it is essential to perform a quality check through the path trace rendering. The effectiveness of path trace is greatly influenced by light settings. Even without custom lighting settings, basic lighting is applied by default. Using backgrounds like backdrop can help induce natural light reflections and improve quality. Setting up the right lighting to match the atmosphere of your stunning material and texture can significantly enhance the quality of your work. So make sure to also check out the video on light settings. We have now covered the basic materials of setting up materials and textures. If you have any questions or want to apply what you've learned, please join us on Discord. We look forward to your feedback and questions about work in progress and more. See you in the next video. Goodbye.